In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to leave my 9-to-5 job this year using high-ticket affiliate marketing, using this software that's going to give me the opportunity to promote up to 15 different affiliate programs without creating a landing page, a lead magnet, an opt-in page, a bridge page, or even creating videos for my YouTube. And the most awesome thing about it is it's going to send out 365 emails to my potential customers each and every day. This software is amazing. I work a 9-to-5 job, and I also have a family with other engagements, so I don't have a lot of time to create videos every day for my YouTube. I don't have an opportunity every day to send out emails and also make phone calls or send out text messages. This software does it all for me. Before I introduce you to the software, let me show you the blueprint on how you make real money with high-ticket affiliate marketing. First, you want to have an opt-in page where you offer a free guide, free ebook, or a free course in exchange for someone's email. And I showed you guys how to do this in detail in my last videos. If you missed out, just go to my playlist that says Leave Your 9-to-5 Job and get started from there. Also, this is very essential for you to have a bridge page with funnels inside of your website, right? And the bridge page is going to take them to either a webinar or a challenge where you or someone else is giving them value and information. Let them know how important it is to purchase the high ticket affiliate offer where you make your high ticket affiliate commissions. Now, once you collect the emails from the opt-in page where you offer the free course, you're going to send those emails to an autoresponder. And from the autoresponder or the emails, once you collect them, you're going to send out daily reminders, right? The first email is going to be a welcome email where you're going to give them access to the free course, right? And then the next day, you're going to send them to an affiliate offer, which in this case is like a mini course, right? But we don't send out emails every day trying to get people to buy something. One of the other emails you're going to send out is a success story, maybe some proof of people making money or having success inside the affiliate program. You're going to send out other emails with links to your YouTube videos or your Facebook group. And also you have offers where you can send people to your landing page, and these offers will help them on their journey to becoming successful. But our main goal is get them to buy the high ticket affiliate program or offer. We're inside of funnelfreedom.io, and this software is so amazing. It has freed up so much time for me. I don't have to worry about creating a course, creating videos for a course and getting it all together. I don't have to worry about creating an opt-in page, a bridge page, a high ticket offer, supporting offers, and I don't have to worry about sending out emails. This software does everything for me. Let me show you how it works. First of all, we're inside of the profile and social settings, right? And don't worry, when you sign up for it, I'm going to leave the link down in the description if you want to sign up to get your 14-day free trial. Inside the videos that show you how to get your white label course, which is a free course with your lead magnet, which I told you guys about, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to pay for that. And you get your affiliate link and you just add it in here. It has videos that shows you everything. Then you add your full name, your first name, your link to your Facebook group, your YouTube channel, Instagram, TikTok, and also you can upload your own profile photo. Now let's go over to the affiliate links and let me show you how that works. Now this is the cool part about it. It already has affiliate programs or affiliate offers for you to use, and they have the 72-hour challenge, which you sign up for the Funnel Freedom Accelerator. You have the Funnel Freedom Legendary Market. I know you guys heard of that. You have Secrets of Success, Wealth Warriors, System IO. I talked about that in some of my other videos. And also these are some of the supporting offers. So while you're working to nurture your audience and get your high commission sale from your high commission product, you still get these commission sales from GetResponse, Repurpose.io, Udemy, VidIQ, which people use for YouTube, also TubeBuddy and Video, right? And all you have to do is go here. If you're not affiliate for them, you just go here, right here. They have a link where you go there, bam. And as you see right here, it's Wealth Warriors Inc. And that's part of Funnel Freedom, right? You just put your email, your name, last name, phone number, and all your social medias down here. You sign up, and you see right here, you earn up to $1,500 per commissions, which is totally awesome. Now let's check out the automations, which is what I'm very impressed with. Now, remember I told you they sent out 365 emails, one each and every day. And this is part of where you make your money at, right? Because we know the money is in your email list. And you see right here, the welcome sequence. Then you have the 80-day nurture. That's 80 days of email sending out for you. 80 more, 80, 60, 60. Now let's check out the first one, which is the welcome email. Now, once a person opt in, they get the free course, which you're going to have on your opt-in page, your landing page. Then they send them the free course, right? Welcome email. Then they wait a day. Then they send out the offer for the 72-hour challenge, which you will be an affiliate for. Then they wait a day, and then it sends a backstory for somebody that has success inside of the program. And all these videos are done for you. The YouTube videos are done for you. And every time somebody opts in and buys one of the offers, your affiliate link or your cookie is attached to that video, and you get the commissions for it. So it's real simple. And it goes on and on. It waits day 2. Then it gives them an offer for the 72-hour challenge. Now let's go back and check out the other ones. Now this is 80 days of nurtures sequence, which is, a campaign that they send out Monday through Friday. Let's check that out. You see, once they opt in, they wait 2 days, and then they give them an offer for the legendary marketer, which your cookies from your affiliate link will be linked to. So if somebody signs up for the legendary marketer, you get the commissions, or I get the commissions. Then they wait a day, then they send them another review for legendary marketer, somebody that has made money with legendary marketer. Then they wait a day, and how to get traffic from Quora, and then they wait 2 days, and then they give them unfair software, automate your business email, and the list goes on and on. They give them 80 in this sequence. So this is all done for you guys. And one thing that I really love about it, they have this, like, to the top right, they have this little phone up here. So if you want to call somebody and ask questions about the software, or if you get stuck or anything like that, there's somebody that's always available. And right here at the bottom right, they have this little button you press up and you ask questions, and people will answer your questions. So everything is done for you, and they also give you help, right? So if you guys want to sign up, hit the link down in my description, and also leave in the comments if this is a software that you would actually use. Rock Future Millionaire, checking out. Peace.